Redressing the balance, women at war. Whilst our men are engaging in the sterner duties of war, the fair sex are stretching their well-formed legs to fill the gap left by their chaps, and a pretty and picturesque job they are making of it too. Here, an alarm has sounded. These ladies are answering an urgent call. From village first aid through all its most expert phases, women's unstinted succour is voluntarily given. This doe-like creature is having lonesome thoughts about her man, thereby setting off the missing her chap alarm. Thankfully, members of the man replacement service arrive to take the strain. Quickly, these highly trained volunteers assess the situation. Yes, she was missing the company of men. It is the role of the man replacement service, or Mrs., to provide a heartening reminder of what it is to have the hubby back home. It's not long before Dorothy is no longer missing her man, all thanks to the fine efforts of the Man Replacement Service.
Remember, ladies, when your chap's away, we'll show you exactly what you're missing.
Join the MRS today.